friends, how are you? I hope this video finds you well. Today I am making a bag out of paper. This is really fun to make because it's actually a lot simpler than it seems. I will link the tutorial that I use down below, and in the tutorial, it's by Amber, someone named Amber. I'll link that down below. In the tutorial, she's actually making a memory decks bag with a mini album inside, but I am just taking the bag part of it and using the dimensions for that. But the theme challenge for me for this week is well, there's a couple different options, but what I chose was, well, I kind of interpreted it in my own way. So one of the challenges could have been feature your journaling or tell a longer story. And so the way that I am taking this or interpreting this is I'm going to use this bag for a gift, and I'm going to write a letter to a friend inside of it. And so that's kind of like my written part of it. Instead of doing a scrapbook layout, I thought I would do this and include a note inside. Obviously, you don't see the note part because, well, there's no point, and a letter is a letter. But yeah, that's kind of the idea of this bag, is that it holds a gift to somebody or a letter or whatever you may choose. So this box is really, really, really simple to make. I actually do have the dimensions in front of me, but of course I will link to the video because this is just a process video, not a tutorial. But you start off with a paper that's 5.5 by 6, and then you score on the 5.5 line at 1 1/4. And then you rotate it to the other side and do the same. And then on the 6-inch side, you score at 2 3/8, and then you rotate it to the other 6-inch side and do the same. And then the strap is just a 1/2 inch by 5-inch, and you fold it all up, and basically you have a bag. So pretty cool how easily it comes together. This one I couldn't decide which papers to use for my straps, but I eventually get there. But yeah, so it turns out really, really cute. It's such a simple thing to make, and you can put like a gift card to a friend in there if you wanted to make, like if you were gifting someone a gift card, this would be like a really cute way to present the gift card in a little bag like this. And I'm sure if you were smart enough, you could make it bigger or smaller off of the dimensions, but that's too much work for my brain, so I don't think I'd have the capabilities to do that. But I'm sure there's that option if you're smart. So now the fun part, I get to embellish this, and I was waiting for my hot glue gun to warm up because I like to use the hot glue gun for the handles, so that they're very sturdy. So that's why they're just off to the side right now, but I'll glue them on in a second, and I thought I would just start embellishing the front of it. And I think it looks really cute. This embellishment cluster came together really quickly, and I'm using some really fun pieces from the shop. Some are from the Maggie Holmes Heritage Collection, and some are from the Crepe Paper All Heart collection. So there's a lot of really cute pieces here, and I've been able to make this little stash go a long way, which is so fun. But right now I'm gluing on those straps, and these are papers from All Heart. I'm running low on some All Heart papers, but that's okay because they've gone to some really fun projects, so no regrets there. I do tend to hoard, but I try not to. I'm really trying to use up my products and put them on projects and gift them to friends and put them in my scrapbooking album because that's the point. And what are they going to do just sitting on the shelf? So I got to use a lot of really fun pieces, and I just love the way this little cluster turned out. I think it looks really good and came together really quick. I apologize that this video is so short. There just really wasn't a lot to it because I was just making a bag and embellishing it. But I hope this inspires you to try it. It's really easy. You don't need a cutting machine, nothing like that. You just need to have a scoreboard and trim it a few times and glue it together, and there you go. Like I said, I'll put her video down below and link to that in case you want to see it. But this is my little interpretation of it. And here's a little close-up. I hope you enjoyed this and have a great day. Bye.